Coming into today, here's yesterday. Bears got a strong breakout and followed strong spike down below the 27 low, 1125 low, and then a reversal back up. Bulls, I expect each new low to be bought. They bought here, pulled back, went further down, scaled in, came back to our original entry. So here, give you a better view here. Yesterday, spiked down, broke below important swing low, went further down. However, importantly, we reversed up, closed the gap. Bears wanted a second leg down, a lower high. Bulls want any new low to be bought and ultimately a breakout to the upside and to stop forming lower highs and to have continuation up. So here, I know it's kind of hard to see it, but wedge top, 3 pushes up, larger 3 pushes, first leg down. Bears want a second leg down and to continue forming lower highs, lower high, lower high, lower high from the all-time high. Bulls are okay with it as long as we stay above a major swing low and find buyers below each new low. Here, low, found buyers at this low, found buyers at this low, found buyers at this low, and ultimately today broke below this low but found buyers. Here, and zoom in and make it better for you. Actually, I'll go to a better chart here so you can see it a little better. Here, arguably the best pair of bars in this move down right here. Possible climax. Bulls see it as a climax. They'll use a stop down here, buy the close, bet on at least a scalp up and price to at least go one tick above this bar. And as you can see, the high was 99.50. We went to 99.75. So Bulls did the minimum and confirmed that this was the climax. Here, 3 bars down, pretty strong. We may get a measured move based on the bars. However, there's something important between here and here. If you notice here, we got three strong bear bars down. However, we had a low last week on the weekly chart. Sorry about that. We had a low 1. So it's likely we would fall below it and see what was there. However, now, here, so there was room for more down. Here, bar 1, surprise bar, traps bulls in, trap bears out. Bears didn't want to sell and risk this many points. Bulls, who were buying down here, trapped, didn't expect the bar to be this big, so probably more down. However, the one problem is we're close to the December high, which is here. Back to the December high. We touched it today. So an obvious magnet in a trading range, support, which was a gap at one point. It got closed here, but we tested it again here. Back to the 5-minute. Bar 1, big enough bar, surprise. It shouldn't have happened. Probably sellers below and sellers above. So sell the close. Some bears will scalp, some will swing. Bar 2, follow through, sell the close. Bar 3, sell the close, but you have to manage the trade. We're right at support December high. Look what happened here. We broke below this low right here. Broke below. Had a pull back around 50%, sold off, but what happened at the end of the day came back to the low. So if you think about it, if you're a bull, buy this low, scale in lower, scale in even lower, exit at your original entry. You know, as crazy as it seems here, well, Bulls will do the same. Buy this low, buy more here, buy more here, exit right at your entry. Probability is high to do that, but obviously individual traders should not do that. So carrying on. Sell the close if you're scalping, still have a wide stop. However, once you see bar 4, let me clear this up for you a little bit. Once you see bar 4, some bears will say, we'll get out. So here, close up here. Some will scale in. Bear scalpers will set a limit order to get out break even, which it allowed them to. Here, 9 o'clock, pullback, 50% is up here. Still probably sellers above, probably 1 or 2 points above the close, maybe 3 and 4. If you notice, the close here was 89.25 and went to 92.25. So obviously enough for bulls to, or excuse me, bears to scale in higher. All these bars are still sell to close. 9 o'clock, it's still a sell to close bar. People sold it, scalped out. The one problem for the bears who were betting on a measured move from the open to the close of this bar going down is each new low was bought. Buyers below here for a scalp. Buyers bought this low. If you bought the low was 89.50. Price went to 91.25, so you could easily make a scalp. Here, you can argue low too. However, here is a warning for the bears that we may only get one more leg down. When you get sell to close bars and you get a bar like this or this, sideways behavior, it's warning you that this could be a possible final flag and more down. You could argue expanding triangle, 1 push, 2, 3, 4, 5. However, not really big enough, so sideways more likely. Here, possible high to buy. However, bulls had a shot to get a bull reversal bar. In the last couple minutes of the bar, bears were able to turn it towards its midpoint. However, it did close above the midpoint, so not a sell to close, not good for the bears. If anything, buy the close. Right at the December high. Here, just as earlier, we may pull back to here. If you sold this close at 9.15, what do you do at 9.20? Some bears will set a limit order at break even, which is 87.50. The low is 87.25. It let traders out. However, if you stayed in, what do you do here? Some bears, you have to scale in, stop above here, probably up here or here. If you're still in from this close, once you get up here, if you scale in, notice that here at 9.55, it didn't come back to your close. So let's say you didn't scale in, you toughed it out, it came back, you're trying to get out break even at 87.50. What do you do here when price comes to 87.75? That means so many bears were anxious to get out that they were willing to to not get out at the original entry. So here, very good chance that we're going higher. Also, here 9.25 is a very good low one buy. The bulls are buying new lows, as I said earlier. Possible double top. However, when you we're getting all these tails, especially at a bar where you could have sold the close, even though it wasn't good to. 10 o'clock, probably test up to here. 10.05. Still possible double top, however, bull body, so not as good. The bears had a chance if it would have been a bear body, or at least more down, possibly measured move. I'm sorry, I'll have to stop the video and make a new one, so I'll make a part 2. Bear with me.